We think that weight loss after pregnancy is kind of impossible. But if you take good care of your health, eat right, stay hydrated, and exercise regularly, you are going to get that result. If you see the spelling of the impossible carefully, impossible itself says, I am possible. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mom and Baby. If you are new here, you are most welcome. If you are watching me and haven't subscribed my channel yet, I would like to highly request you to subscribe my channel and join our beautiful family, which is Mom and Baby. In this video, I am going to share with you how I lost my 14 kgs of weight within 2 months. Yes, you heard it right. 14 kgs in 2 months time. So, without further ado, let's get started. Eat healthy. We all know that having a balanced diet has a great impact in our overall health. Try to start your day with healthy breakfast, which will give you much needed energy and prevent fatigue. Our tummy or stomach is kind of elasticity, like as a rubber band. The more you stretch, the bigger it comes, and vice versa. Therefore, try to eat less at a time, or try to reduce your portion slowly. I know it's hard, but if you practice couple of days or weeks, and if you trained your mind that you are full, then your body will automatically believe this and will get used to with it. As our body achieves what our mind believes. So change your mindset. Whenever you are eating anything, try to have healthy, nutrients-dense food, which have lots of vitamins and minerals. Before, I used to crave for junk food, and I used to love and feel kind of fulfilled whenever I used to eat junk food. But since I keep an eye on my diet and train my mind just to eat the healthy homemade food, I have seen a huge difference on myself in terms of mentally, physically, and in overall health. Sometimes it's hard to reduce the portion directly. Therefore, if you have a habit of eating the full plate, then try to take the smaller plate rather than the bigger plate, and then eat slowly, meaning chew your food properly and take time. Eat as a family and try to enjoy the food that is in your plate. Never skip meals. With the new baby or baby at home, most of the mothers, we tend to give priority to our baby, because of which we even sometimes forget to eat or eat whatever is left over after feeding our babies, which is not very good. If you don't eat, you will have less energy and it will not help you to lose weight. Also, rather than having 3 large meals, try to divide these meals into 5 to 6 small meals in a day. Like I mentioned before, try to reduce the portion of the food with healthy snack in between. Take dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. I have been taking my dinner before 7:30 or 8 p.m. and that has helped me a lot to lose my weight. Stay away from junk food. If you focus on eating right amount of nutrients, your body will show the results. And we all know that eating junk food will make it harder to lose weight. The food that you have at home or around have a big effect on what you eat. Therefore, try to keep the healthy foods such as fruits and vegetables, dried and mixed nuts, yogurts, and so on. So whenever your mood strikes for something, you have a healthy snack handy. Water. Our body is made up of 60 to 70% of water, and we all know that. Hydration is critical for our overall health and well-being. Try to keep a bottle of water whenever you are and wherever you are. If you see the water in front of you, you tend to drink, and then you will get used to drinking water. You don't need to wait for certain time to drink the water. Just take a sip of water in between, or try to have at least 1 glass of water in an hour. You can even put the alarm to remind you that you need to have water or 1 glass of water in every hour. In that way, if you consume 2 to 3 liters of water in a day, that will make a huge difference in your body. I have been drinking hot or lukewarm water at least 3 liters in a day, which not only helped me to stay hydrated but also make me feel full, so that I don't crave for something or some of the food that is not really good for our health. If you don't like to drink the plain water, you can also add some slices of lemons, cucumber, apple, or any sorts of fruits that you like into the water to add some more flavors and vitamins. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding helps to burn the calories, which helps to lose weight. If you don't have time, then just focus or continue on breastfeeding. You'll be surprised at how much weight you lose naturally while breastfeeding. And you must increase the fluid that you are taking. Try to increase the water. That not only helps to increase the production of the breast milk but also help to resist the craving. I have been drinking the nursing drink or the healthy drink, for which I have already done the video. I will leave that link in the description box below, so if you are interested, don't forget to check that one out. This drink not only helped me to lose weight but also helped me to increase the supply of the breast milk. Therefore, this helps in 2 ways: lose weight and also increase the breast milk production at the same time, which are the most vital things for the new mom or the breastfeeding mom or the mother in general. If you are not breastfeeding, whenever you are preparing the nursing drink, you can just ignore the ajwain or the carom seeds whenever you are making that drink and then have it. Meaning you can just add the ginger, lemon and honey. Sleep. Try to get adequate amount of sleep. Sleep makes a huge difference in your physical, mental and overall health. Lack of sleep will affect your metabolism, food choices, breast milk production if you are breastfeeding and so on. In order to boost your energy quickly, you will be tempted to the unhealthy or low nutrients snack if you don't get the enough sleep. If you have a newborn or the baby at home who don't sleep well at night, try to speak with your family member to look after the baby so that you can take a good nap even in the night as well if possible. If you get a good or sound sleep, you will be better off for your and your family health all around. Exercise. Moving your body or getting exercise has lots of health benefit in general, but can especially supercharge weight loss. It also helps to improve the overall health. To do exercise as a new mom or mom, you may not have enough time, or you may not want to leave your baby at home and go to the gym on your own. In that case, you can take your baby with you, go for a walk with your husband and spend some quality time together. Do the brisk walking at least 30 minutes to 1 hour in a day by keeping your baby in the pram, which not only help you to lose your weight but also your baby will get the fresh air, and you can even spend some quality time with your husband if you go for a walk together. I used to go for a brisk walking at least 30 minutes to 1 hour a day, every single day, 7 days a week. In that way, I was able to lose 14 kgs in 2 months' time. Going for a walk has several benefits in our health, in our family life. I have already done the video on the benefits of the walking, so if you are interested, I will leave that link in the description box below, so don't forget to check that one out. Normally, I have been slim throughout my life. I was in the size of 8 to 10 UK sizes, and after pregnancy, I reached to the size 14. I was 65 kgs just 2 months before, and now I am 51 kgs. Just by implementing the points that I have mentioned earlier, and I was able to reduce 14 kgs in just 2 months time. My main ambition was to come back to my before pregnancy size. That's the reason I used to keep couple of dresses that I liked most in my wardrobe, and then I used to try quite often. If I am fit into that dresses, I have achieved my goal. And now here I am able to fit on those before pregnancy dresses, and I'm so happy and glad that I did it. You cannot imagine, I feel like I have achieved the most important goal in my life. I know it's not the most important goal, but I feel like, because I have been in the 8 to 10 sizes and suddenly I was in the 14 sizes, so it was a bit hard for me to convince myself that I was getting too fat. I was trying my best, but sometimes my weight was not moving at all, and I also thought that I won't be able to come back to my same size again, I mean the before pregnancy size again. But my habit is not to give up, so I was committed to come back to my original size, and now I am in. I'm so happy to come back to my original size. So if I can do this, then I know you can also do this. Just have patience and do not give up. Keep on trying until you reach your goal. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section below, and also please give your support by liking, subscribing and sharing our channel as much as possible, because I believe sharing is caring. And if you are also trying to lose your weight, try these simple tips and tricks. Just try to change the lifestyle that you are having, then you will see a huge difference in yourself. Let me know in the comment section below how is your experience going on with the weight loss journey, or if you have any sort of other suggestion and recommendation that you are implementing in your life to lose your weight, please let me know in the comment section as well, because I believe sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye-bye.
Bye.